Hey y'all, hey Ward family.
So War Squad.
What y'all doing out here?
War Squad.
Yes, you are.
Over getting this water, pumping this stuff. They over here going at it.
Yeah, they having them a nice all time.
Stop.
They having them a nice old water fight.
Water. They was going there. You should have seen Jalen running up. Got look at him. Just like that, running Jordan down. And Jordan like this. I give him this and that, squirting.
It was on. He got the water, you think? Look, he going for who shot him. He going for it.
Oh, listen to that. Oh, God. Oh, it's dangerous. It's real. Oh, they dangerous.
Hi, how's it going? Goody, good. Thank you. No, don't shoot me. He walked up on her, got her.
Yeah, he did. They super wet.
They super wet. They're gonna go ahead and take these clothes off. Get in the tub. It's a beautiful day. It feels lovely out here.
Yep. Told y'all War Squad videos was coming soon, didn't I? I'm trying to drop them. I'm dropping.
Right.
I'm dropping one still every day.
Yeah. We got it down packed now, y'all. We doing real good.
Let me see. Hold on. Yes, let me see. I don't think
He said, "You help me, Dada."
Yeah, you ain't got enough. What's he doing here? My mom.
There go Grandma Boo pulling up. She heard we was having Nancy's pizza. She heard through the grapevine.
She not messing with this.
She not messing with it.
She looking like what this?
She like, what's going on? Come here, huh, Jayla? Come over here.
Oh, it's not
She look like she just over the whole day right now. She look like she just over the whole day.
I'm gonna have to put you some more water in here, son. Actually, they gotta go with this thing.
Yeah, that's it.
Like
you look like you just over the whole day. Hey, Grandma Boo.
Oh, Lord, don't record her. Because we posting that day, you know it was already up there one. The Miami one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, they still here.
Right.
You doing me tomorrow?
Yeah.
No, I'm taking this off.
Oh, you taking it all the way off?
This thing?
Yeah. That's the thing. Y'all have
What's up, boys?
It's time. I see y'all out here looking nice.
It was till they got wet. To the degree. Did y'all? Let me start recording. My mom's scared. She's scared. She don't want to show her. Say her wig and stuff messed up.
No, go ahead and put me on there.
Go ahead.
I'll let the world know. I went to the weed shop.
What's up, War Squad? Welcome back to
The War Squad.
Yes, the War Squad. Like she said it right. But welcome back to day 2 of just chilling. You know, it's another day of just chilling. Another beautiful, wonderful day. Don't mind me, everybody, with, you know, yes, all of this. That's getting it done. We need help. She knows, oh, you know, War Squad, guess what? We have a new car. We have a brand new car. I had surprised mommy with this. She'll tell you everything with the details and everything. I had told her to come outside. She came out. She was like, oh my God. She was so just tired of her other car. She just kept bugging me for a car. So I had grabbed a 2021 Chevy Traverse. It's awesome 3-row seater. We need it. She'll show you guys all the inside and everything because I'm pretty sure she want to do a lot. But let me help the kids. Yeah. Whoa. You almost ran me over, girl. Come on. Whoa. Yeah, like I was saying and everything. Doses. She told me deuces. They be driving that thing everywhere. They be gone. But yeah, like I was trying to say, just a beautiful day. Everyone's looking good. The family looking good. Mine is about to come out, look great. Other than that, we just chilling. I'm gonna, however, show you guys the car whenever she get out. She wanted to show the World Squad the car. I should have recorded me getting like you know, surprise her, but I was so happy, just ready to show her very quickly because I'm like, so she could stop, you know, whining. Even though there's nothing wrong. War Squad. Okay. See everything faded. Look. It's almost gone, right? It looked the worst in this, everyone. It looked just it looked horrible. Very bad. So, but yeah, just wait on mommy. What's up, son? What you all doing? Got something in your head. Let me get this out your head. What is that? Hey, pretty girl, princess. What you out here doing? Just chilling? Hey, 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 hey. Footwork. Footwork. Huh? No. Hey, hey, hey.
This one touch some dirt stuff.
Finally, there goes the beautiful mommy. Something. Told him it's just day 2 of just chilling.
Chilling.
Yesterday and everything.
Yeah.
Another beautiful day. I told them how you probably want to show them the brand new car. I told them she already showed them outside. I don't know if you want to go and
show them the inside. Yeah, come on.
She said, "Come on, hold on."
Wait, I don't got the key. The key.
No, hold on, see, hold on, hold it. I'll go get it.
See the kids. Jordan. Don't mind Jordan here. I'm finna do her ponytail in. Minutes. I know her little feet hurt. She really want to wear these shoes, but they too small. Hey. Hey, Jordan, stop being Jordan.
I surprised you when you were so happy and everything. Just tired of the other car. So.
Yeah. We got 2 keys, y'all.
Yes, of course.
Mine don't got this dang old thing on no more, so.
Well, I still keep mine intact. I like to keep everything fresh. The inside of it. You got this, I got this. It was only like 6 miles on it, of course.
Look how much room it is, y'all.
Very much space.
My fit right here. I be just chilling, riding like this.
See the inside.
Look at that touchscreen.
It's hot in here right now.
Hot as ever.
Oh yeah.
Jordan did something last time.
She probably started. Yeah.
Probably. Look at the screen.
Of course.
Y'all see my iPhone's already connected. Y'all can see.
You see the secret. You know, nah, I ain't gotta show them the secret spot. They should probably already know, but let me show y'all the back.
I ain't gonna show them the button, but
What? Well, you see, y'all see that. See how that open like that? I ain't gonna show y'all the button and everything like she said, but yeah. Yeah, then the back. Let me show y'all the back. A lot of space up in the back. 3rd row seater, like I said. Kids be always back there. They like to, because they like to go crazy back there. Of course.
They be doing too much back there.
They like to do a lot.
Some, the heat controls back there for them.
Huh?
Look. You didn't even know I do this,
Like
did you?
kids like to just do a lot.
Look at the
there.
heat control.
My mom got a coma here. Yeah, no, I didn't know. Wow. Oh, wow.
Yeah, he ain't know y'all talking about y'all.
I didn't know. No, I didn't know that.
That's nice.
Just be chilling in here. Yeah. Charge.
Got a lot of USB.
It's ones in the back too, the BSBs.
For real?
On the side, yeah. They know that.
Oh, wow.
So the kids are on my tablet. They, you know, they iPad babies. So pop the trunk.
Damn right. Open it like that.
Uh-huh.
With the key.
A lot of
buttons.
room.
Yeah.
Everything can push them down.
Then look at this, y'all.
I like this right here. This convenient. Cause we just recently had Sunday dinner at my mom's at Grandma Boo house. Yeah, crazy Grandma Boo. But she asked all of us, everybody, to bring some. So we made cabbage, macaroni, sweet potatoes. Now, if you don't know, even when you put in aluminum foil pan, anything of like cabbage or sweet potatoes, it's gonna spill out no matter when you dry it. So what I did, of course, I wrapped in like a plastic bag and everything, and I put it. Now it's in my head.
You okay?
Yeah. But then I had put it, of course, up in here, and it didn't move at all up in there. So I like that. Yeah. And I've been putting the groceries in there, so I won't be moving all around up in the back seat, because that's what it usually does.
And then to close the trunk, you can close with this or the button right there.
Right.
Push that and it closes.
Yeah, I wanted the mommy to show y'all, but what y'all doing over there, kids? What's wrong? Let's see what they doing. Oh, never mind. Yeah, we're about to try and enjoy this day. We might see you later. We might go out to eat somewhere. We're really about to probably go to my brother's house.
Yeah.
And just go chill over there for a bit, go see him.
Do some grown-up things
and kids stuff. Yeah. So other than that,
ponytail right quick.
Yep.
And yeah.
I'll see y'all later.